Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm launching a new update for Aimogen, and it is about the featured image from URL, the FIFO plugin integration with Aimogen. So you heard this right, you will be able to use remote images as featured images for your posts. So to set this up, install and activate the featured image from URL plugin. It is available for free in the plugins of WORDPRESS.org, and afterwards go to main settings, and in the image storage tab you will see a new checkbox, enable featured image from URL integration. And if you check this checkbox, all posts that were created afterwards will be able to be used. So this is a great feature to link automatically featured images, and this is also an interesting feature to be combined with Aimogen extension for the S3 storage, because if you use the S3 storage extension, then all featured images will be copied to S3, and afterwards they will be also linked from S3 by the FIFO plugin. So they will be linked remotely by FIFO. So give this a try, as the Amazon S3 storage is a nice feature to combine the featured image from URL plugin. So let me show you this in action real quick, and let's go to a title based post because they create faster. And let's create a new post, and keep in mind I have the featured image from URL active and also the featured image from URL selector checkbox checked. Okay, so now we will be linking the featured images from their source, and if we go to the posts here, we will see the post appearing soon. So this will take a bit to process, but not more than 1 minute for title based single API call posts, and it is already finished. If we check the URL of this image, if we hit inspect on it, it is directly linked from nitpics.com. So this is directly linked from there, and you will be able to use less server storage because of this. But keep in mind that these royalty-free images or AI-generated images might disappear, and because of this I strongly recommend that you install the Aimogen extension, the Amazon S3 storage for images. And let me set this up actually for you real quick. So I activated the plugin while I paused the video, and now we have the Amazon S3 option available here. And let's save settings, and let me show you this in action also. So I have here set up my credentials for Amazon S3, and now let's delete this post and let's run it again. So we can check our site, it's empty again, and we will get an Amazon S3 linked featured image for our posts. Okay, so this works for DALL-E images, for stable diffusion images, and DALL-E can work with OpenAI, Aimogen API, or also Azure. So the green check mark appeared. We can visit our site here, and this time a new image appeared, and if we inspect it, it is on S3 on my AWS me bucket. So the settings that appear here are just the same as I entered, and this is actually on my S3 bucket stored there, and we can use this feature of the plugin together with the Amazon S3 extension as I mentioned. So go ahead guys and check the featured image from URL integration. It will be linked from this video's description. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching until the end. This is all. Bye bye.